Morning, Bill, here with the Metals Minute. Today's Wednesday, March 16th, 2022. Well, we have a lot going on in the energy sector. We have calls coming from the major energy traders in Europe requesting emergency cash infusions to keep the power markets and the gas market functioning. So this is a developing story, but it appears that there are some serious consequences going on in world markets that are just breaking this morning. We also have items on the oil front. We've had announcements that we're not going to purchase any more Russian oil, but at the same time, I use a tracking service called Tanker Trackers. And they keep track of all oil shipments worldwide through a GPS tracking service. And they've identified $100 million worth of Russian crude oil that was headed towards Eurasia. That shipment has been diverted and now it's coming to the United States. So there's also proof from energy traders in the Persian Gulf that Iran is now selling approximately 3 million barrels of oil a day. Now, what happens on the sanctioned oil market, we've written about this before in our weekly articles, but what happens is when countries like Iran are sanctioned to prevent them from selling oil, the oil gets sold on the black market, it's sold at a discount, and sometimes it's relabeled. There are transfers that happen at sea where sometimes the vessels will turn off their tracking transponders and oil will be transferred to a different vessel from a different origin to try to disguise where the oil is coming from. But the best estimates are 3 million barrels a day coming out of Iran now. And so that may be part of what's easing the pressure on oil. We also have a new partner that the United States is importing oil from. For the first time, they have a new production coming online, increased capacity for them. And we have 1 million barrels of crude headed towards the United States from Guyana, which is a small country in South America, and they have recently increased capacity and willingness to offer that product to the United States. So hopefully we'll see that impacted at the pump with all this extra oil coming our way. But the reports out of Europe are somewhat concerning the power and energy markets. We do have gold down for the week. It seems that, we have a lot of rhetoric going on, but hopefully the conflict in Russia and Ukraine will not go further than it already is. But Russia, their central bank has paused purchasing metal to give their population an opportunity to secure gold and silver for themselves. At the same time, we have record amounts of metal being purchased and sold, and even the United States Mint has purchased a significant amount, near record amounts of gold and silver blanks and product to be turned into coins. I know some of their coins they've taken they're stepping back from their offering of new coins. They've been delayed somewhat. There's been a lot of metal changing hands. And this week and today we have the Fed announcement coming out, probably going to raise interest rates. So gold has been tamped down over the last 48 hours. And so I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity while the prices are temporarily low. All the major factors that are driving gold and silver and even platinum higher are still with us, and it's just a good time to take advantage of these short-term price reductions. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.